welcome back to my channel. To all my new and returning subscribers, hey, how you doing? So you guys, today I am bringing you all a hair review. It has been a minute since I have bought you guys anything dealing with hair, and for that I am sorry, y'all. Like, I have hair backed up right now that I need to review, so you are going to be seeing this makeup look as well as this outfit in this gold unicorn necklace a couple of times, but it's okay because we are making sure that we get the reviews out and that we show you guys some products that you can go and spend your coins on. Okay, so you guys, first we are going to be reviewing a headband wig. Y'all know I love headband wigs, especially for the summertime. All you have to do is just pull out your edges and slick them back, baby. And I got some new stuff to slick my edges with, and it is the olive oil super hold wig grip gel. At first I thought that you only use this for your wig, but on TikTok I've been seeing people use it for their edges, and I use it for my edges, and Miss Mama's gives me the same hold as my got to be. So, and it has castor oil in it for strengthening and maintaining the hairline, so we like that. We like that. So this is how the hair came packaged, and it is from the brand Luyou, and I want to say thank you to Luyou for sending me this over to review. So let's get into what all came in it. Now, it did come in a bag, but y'all already know how I feel about bags. There's no need for me to reiterate that. If you've been here with me for a while, then you already know. So it came with, let me put that right there to the side, this mesh headband cap. And y'all, I love these mesh little wig caps, hair nets, whatever you want to call them. I love these. I love these a lot better than the regular wig caps. It came with this headband, and I don't think I have a headband like this. Let me think. I don't have a headband like this, I don't think. And it's so nice that they sent over something other than the cheetah print headbands, because even though I love cheetah print, y'all, I have so many cheetah print headbands that I don't know what to do with them anymore. So I'm happy that they sent over something different. It's brown, it's black, and then it has like brown little and white flowers on it, so that's really cute. And this is the headband wig, y'all. It is a pixie cut headband wig, and I am going to go ahead and be honest with you guys. I have already been wearing this. This has become one of my true throw on and go headband wigs, so I already know how she looks on me, and I already know that I like her a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on for y'all. And something that I do when I put on my headband wigs is the straps in the back where it hooks. I actually place the combs underneath that, and then you pull it back. And y'all, I don't know, I have another wig on. I think it took some of my foundation away, so let me retouch the forehead. Retouch the forehead of my makeup look. And actually, y'all, if y'all hear my fan, I'm sorry, but I'm hot natured, so I gotta turn my fan back on. Okay. And this is how it looks. And y'all, this is just straight out the pack. Since like I said, I have been wearing her. I've been wearing her straight out the pack. Y'all, please don't mind my edges. It's about to be wash day, so I don't have anything on it right now to slick them down. But y'all, since I have been wearing her straight out the pack, this is just how I do it. I put her on, do it like that. I sometimes wear a headband, and for the sake of this video, I will show you guys what this headband looks like. But mostly, I've just been wearing the plain black headband that comes with her. But to show you guys what she looks like with the headband, y'all, she's cute. She's cute. And y'all know the pixie cuts are what's in, and I do have a pixie cut wig that I did review here on this channel, a pixie cut lace front wig that I reviewed. But y'all, This is so convenient. A pixie cut headband wig. It is so, like when I say so convenient, and it's so lightweight. It's so cute. Cause I don't know what's been going on here in Georgia. Like right now as I'm recording, it's cold outside. But all last week it was hot. It was like in the 80s. And I think today, I don't know what it's in right now, but I know when I went to go get my Chick-fil-A earlier, it was cold. It was cold. I had to put on my Columbia jacket. It was cold. So I'm not sure what, you know, is going on as far as the weather goes, but I was wearing this all last week, and y'all, it's so lightweight. Y'all know how wigs can sometimes be overpowering and not what you want to wear in the summertime. But when I say this is the perfect summertime everyday wig to wear, it is so cute. And like I said, in the full lace front wig of the pixie cut, y'all know at first I was nervous as to how short hair would look on me because I do have a Georgia dome. I do feel like my head is huge, but y'all, this wig is so cute. Like, she is so cute, and she is a human hair wig, so the good thing about her is that you can wash her. She just came with that hair smell. If you guys are familiar with what bundles come with that hair smell, it's not crunchy at all. Like, the curls aren't crunchy. As you can see, I'm running my fingers over through her, I'm massaging her, I'm doing all of this. You can run your fingers through her to get the curls how you want her. You can even put mousse in it to kind of like keep the curls, you know, scrunched, or however you guys like to do your curly units. This is just how I've been doing it. Like, it's literally been me just throwing her on, going like this, getting in the car and going. That's literally what I've been doing with this headband wig. But you guys, yes, y'all already know, if the hair is not good, it does not make it to my channel. And this hair is definitely Danny approved. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to leave all of the links and everything down in the description box below. I want to say thank you again to Luyou Hair for sending me this unit over to review. And let me give you guys like a little hair glam, a little, you know, little hair modeling. Just like to do my little modeling pieces with the hair. So again, you guys, if you all are interested in this hair, I will leave everything down in the description box, links, all of that, so that you can go and get it. Really affordable. I think it was $30 if I'm not mistaken on Amazon. It's $30 right now, but go check it out. Really affordable. Even if it's not 30, it's still affordable. It's affordable, trust me. Y'all know how I am when it comes to anything affordable, honey. I like to save them coins. But thank you all for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join the tribe. And while you're at it, turn on those notifications. Hit the little notification bell. I'm not sure where it is right here, but hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. And if you guys have made it to the end of this video, comment a blue heart down there for me. Comment a blue heart. Put a blue heart in the comment section so that I know that you still here with me and you rocking with me. All right, you guys. Bye.